Battlefield Ukraine continues, with this amazing footage of Ukrainians breaking the line. Here tired, hungry and confused mobilized Russian reservists are angry why Russia's military logistics can't cope with the process. This was obvious from the start, and now we have possible riot and mutiny of revolted and armed soldiers. Maybe that's why all guns are without ammo.
Вооружение 70-х, 80-х годов. Температура, люди болеют, пневмония, заболевания, у всех температура. Краски сминаются пальцем. У большей части состава нет ни касок, ни бронежилетов.
Another amazing combat footage of Ukrainian defenders in Kherson.
Ніхто не стріляє, не бачу.
Сюда, блядь. Нахуй.
Я ебаться не хотел. С всех сторон, сука. О, все нахуй. Вот це була вона, блядь. Да.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.